We will go over the basics of packing here, although will hear more about packing for your particular program at your orientations. The first and most important detail to keep in mind while packing is to not overpack. Most international flights have a 50-pound or 23-kilo limit on checked baggage, so be selective and check your airline's luggage restrictions. Leave room for you to bring back items you get while abroad. Keep in mind TSA regulations such as not bringing liquids in your carry-on luggage. For clothing, it is important to consider local customs and expectations. Some countries have locations you need to cover your shoulders for, or may not approve of crop tops or ripped jeans. Look into cultural fashion norms to see how you will fit in best like a local, and feel free to ask questions at your specific pre-departure orientation. You will need to carry copies of your passport, visa, your medication prescriptions, and credit cards. As mentioned in Money Matters, carry some cash. Research on the type of electrical plug adapter you will need for your host country. Most laptops, phones, and other electronics are dual voltage, so they can handle 110 volts, the US standard, or around 240 volts, which are common in other countries. But you will still need a wall adapter. Hair appliances, on the other hand, are typically single voltage, so using your US hair appliance in a country with a different voltage can cause it to break or start a fire without a transformer. If you are participating in a short-term program, look at weather conditions and temperatures for the week you will be traveling. Remember that you will be doing a lot of walking with the program, so bring only 1 or 2 pairs of shoes and make sure they're comfortable. We recommend bringing 1 or 2 business casual outfits for some specific program activities. Be selective with what you bring abroad. Really consider if you want to bring hair appliances, games, and other items you may not end up using. For semester programs, again, pack lightly. Consider what you will truly need while abroad and what you can purchase while there. Shampoos, conditioners, soaps, and other general needs may be better to purchase in country unless you require specific needs you cannot find abroad. If you want to use hair appliances, consider buying them in country too, to avoid any voltage problems. As stated before, if you have medication, make sure you bring enough for the semester and carry a copy of your prescription. Pack layers and clothing, which you can easily repurpose for different seasons, needs, travel, and more.